ngicela ukujoyina last year ngeva ngamama ngathi sihambe
Ne?
Thimini yababe emashaya.
Wathi ngiyaya.
Ngathi ngiyaya.
Ufake ubana noBaba emashaya.
Mina ngithandele Cancer Day ezibantu bakhonile kusixoxela ngema experience abo ecancer sakhona kufunza lebe singakwadi. Bakhonile nabo kuba free ukuthi bakhone kusitshela ngale cancer lebe baphethe nalabakhonile kusurvive.
Sanibonani babukelani bami emakhaya. This is Lowveld Workers Podcast, and of course this is your girl Rebecca Mdluli, the host of Lowveld Workers Podcast. Now today ngiyolanza sinenhlanhla nathando lethu, the youngsters of the team, the fresh blood, Cocomelon team. I'm talking about the pretty little ladies, lengibathanza kakhulu. My beautiful people, if you want to know who I'm talking about, do not scroll those gadgets while I go and get the pretty princesses of the team, Lowveld Workers. Do not move. Okay, my beautiful people, like I said earlier on, let's begin Cocomelon team, Ikidio, the young blood of Lowveld Workers. Today, Bangobani, and then Nani Bat would say Bangobani, of course, Sababona, La Payana Mabawoka, Lowveld Workers. We're seeing our beautiful kids, but we don't know Bangobani. So, this time I want you to introduce yourselves in Chile Band with Ninja and Van. Me right?
Yes.
I am happy money paper selling up and snabbing up on my rights. Yes, girl. So Charlie Pal. Ne. Good luck as focus. We are flying colors. And it's Ngalana again? Okay. Metric, right?
Yes.
Okay, now when you so we sit buge pepe. Sila. And against buge is a stream, so it's not told. Kalofa lokaza buko logo. Njengoba sendavile ke boCocomelon labadzala be-team sebathi introduce. I'm sure now you know ukuthi si ukhuluma nabo bani lana. So Thando dami, I want to know now ukuthi iLowveld Workers never kuphi ngayo, and how much do you love Lowveld Workers? Asicale ngala sanazam uyijoine nini iLowveld Workers uvikuphi ngayo?
Lowveld Workers ngicela ukujoyina last year ngeva ngamama ngathi
Ne?
Thimini yababe emashaya.
Wathi ngiyaya.
Ngathi ngiyaya.
Ufake ubana noBaba emashaya. Okay, wena sithando sami.
Mina ngiqale this year nami ngive ngabamncane.
Okay.
Kuthi sihambe sedilula.
Yeah.
Yes.
So ngitsheleni mama ncane ngenathi nihambeni yotilula na mama. Lokuvuka ekuseni khamba njani kona? Kuphansi kunjani niyahlupa khamba njani lokuvuka ekuseni?
Vuka ekuseni sisuke sivila fast ngafunda. Hlala libetha nje.
Ne, ekuseni vele nibe kujudziwa shame Nkosi yami. Mara masenifika le teamini lese kumnanzi ngazi. Ngitsheleni nithanza waphi ma-walks, uthanza yiphi wena?
Ngithanda i-color walk.
Why?
Ngoba ngithanda kudlala ngema-paints.
Okay. All right. Ukhululekile uthi ngidlulisa ufree wathi ukuthi ngeke bakuthethise ekhaya. Nake. Wena sesilomkhulu.
Mina ngithandele Cancer Day ezibantu bakhonile sixoxela ngema-experience abo e-cancer, sakhona kufunza le besingakwadi.
Yeah.
Bakhonile nabo kuba free ukuthi bakhone kusitshela ngale cancer le bebaphethe nalabakhonile kusurvive.
There you have it, my beautiful people. Njengoba sisho sithi thina i-Lawful Workers caters for everyone. Yabona ke nabantwana bethu bayafunza lokuningi ku-Lawful Workers. It's not only abantu abadala kuphela. Mina angathi ukuthi na usahledi ungedwa usahlaleleni kahle kahle. So tell me Dithandwa dam, tuke bantu laba ngajoin Lawful Workers nje ngawo nje esikoleni. Ungathini kulabangani bakho nje?
Ngabatshela ukuthi buyani sijoyine sithi sibe unyaka.
Yeah. Yes, wena ke?
Ngithi buyani sonke sijoyineni sikhona ukufunda sithole lwadi sibe ngithi singadifihli.
Yeah. Hayi ke guys, i-Lawful Workers kumnanzi kakhulu lapha ekhaya neva bathi buyani nito joina kube mnanzi lapha. So ngitsheleni nina angase nganibona kuma challenge. Why ningeti masenda ama challenge? Lobu buso kuma challenge. Why? Anithanzi ukujayiva.
Sithanda ukujayiva.
Nethi ngiyasibona nasiwena ne. And from now on nje mangicala ngithi ngiyafuna ngithi ningakuphi singapha sesiyacala sina ama challenge. Angithi this coming Saturday so like challenge nginike nina le nkamu ukuthi store wenda yona. Because the socks phela lena funa sibe active. Nita naipi. Think fast. Yashesho. Kude. Ngihlulekile shem ngalabantu abayithu lapha. But nonetheless kumele ufunze amabhuku vele focus on your books ngoba uyabhala. Nawe sesinomkhulu angithi uyabhala. So ufuna ufocus sifuna nipass angithi. No siyabonga kakhulu Dithandwa dami. My beautiful people, as you know, angithi my youngsters wethu asasemancane. So the information that they have gave us is the information that we needed from them. As you know, this coming Saturday Sitobe sine crazy socks for health professionals awareness walk. Itobe ise Rockies Rift. Icala nga 5:30. So mangabe khona la utobe ujahele khona but uyafisa ukuthi ku walk yethu ungeke utosijoina lapha yana uyakhona ukuthi utijikele ku 2.5 which is a water point lesibida ukuthi water point ebantwana ukuchayile 5 kilometers wakho bese uyatijikela uya la ufuna kuya khona but iwalk yethu sisheshe sicethe shem asijaha nganzawo. So wena nje lekumele ukwende ngokuthi uchamuke ugcoke black and white bese ufaka amakawusi wakho nje la funky la fun lo nawo but kusho mangabe awunawo or awunayo black and white umakawusi awunawo akusho ukuthi uhlale ungedli. You can come and join us. You are more than welcome. It is free of charge, and of course do not forget to follow us on our social media platform pages. We've got a TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp channel, Facebook, yes. Sinawo lapho so uyayithola yonke information yethu lapha, and if you need more info kune number lapha yana ya Mr. Joseph Mashaba ungakhona ukuthi umfonele and find out more about iwalk yethu. So mina nasesisinenhlanhla nalanghosi lana together we say #don't promise commit.